Alright, so today we are putting in the 80 litre water tank and the 12 volt solar panel that I picked up last week, or ordered last week. It's here.
So Warwick couldn't find the thread tape, so we got this wonderful stuff, and I used wonderful in the wrong sense there, gasket maker silicone. So you add a little bit, not a lot like I did, to the threads, then when you put them in, it makes a more watertight seal. We don't know how we're running the lines, so I'm only putting them in a little bit so we can adjust them when it's under there.
Good job, bud. Why did you put the hoses this way? They don't fit.
You ever seen a trailer drop on someone's head before?
No.
You won't this time either, because you go ahead.
Why are you so hostile?
Hostile? Quit using my fucking pet name.
You're going to stay there because it's raining.
Very good. Alright.
Alright, water tank is bolted in. Can you see the bolts from here? They're not exactly straight, but they're in. So they're M8 by 100, so they should fit a standard tray, roughly, if you put an 80 litre tank in, or 83 litre, whatever it was. But that's in. Now we're going to look at the solar panel, which hopefully... Yeah, the intention before, where Ben was sort of roughly explaining it, is to hinge the top in 3 places, put some over centers to lock it in down the bottom, so when you pull the quads off you can just prop it up, and that should be enough power to keep some charge up while we're not using it. And also, we broke this on a trip that I didn't video, so I gotta fix that. Are you gonna fix that?
What?
That leg?
I gave you a spare one to fix it with.
I don't know where I put it.
Awesome. Because yeah, it's just undo them, whap it in, done.
Yeah.
We also need to get stronger bolts or just
yeah, I
solid
haven't shown that.
Because I think solid feet are the way to go.
So, remember when I lifted this up on all its legs and was like, yeah, they do it great. Which way are we going? Look, yeah, can you see that bolt in there?
Yeah, I think we just weld on solid plate.
That's a thing that happened. So don't do that.
Right, yeah.
So what's the plan here?
Pull this guy off, put the pedal on, then see where this can fit. Whether or not it goes back on.
So our plan is to screw some hinges to the panel, then hold it up and figure the rest out, and then change them to rivets at some point in time, because
That won't happen.
I don't have a rivet gun right now. So it started to rain, so we're bailing for now. And we'll come back hopefully this afternoon. Damn this rain. It's still raining. Hopefully all the stuff that's out there is meant to be like semi-legit waterproof.
Well, it's all going to be out there for your spanners out there still.
Thanks, bud.
You were using it, you fuck.
You left it there. I didn't break your drill bits.
You want to get me a Phillips head screwdriver, please?
Double layered, what am I screwing in?
Yeah, no, it goes through twice. I don't know why, but that's what happened with mine too.
Where's your hinge line up compared to the Z section? Actually, where do you line up? Right on the edge of that screw hole?
No, I'm like 50 mil towards you from the screw hole.
Wait, which screw hole?
From where the light was.
I'm coming down and just doing one and then...
Yep. Oh, the axle is there? No. I also sell the bulb.
Well then no, I don't have a stick. Fuck you. I needed a stick, so...
I think we need to run the power cable up to here too, zip tie it to the end here. And then feed it down so it's good. Yeah, that's perfect, man.
Look at that. So that is the plan, but not with a tripod, with like some sticks, so it gets... I don't know if I explained. It's a 12 volt 80 watt panel. I can't remember if I did that or not.
Good explaining, man.
And also, you can no longer buy these panels in this size because this is the very last one in existence. Unless you buy it second hand. Alright, so our plan is, yeah, a couple of like legs that come down, or maybe even just one. Just like a bimini clip. Also, you can stand on solar panels too. I've been walking all over this other one. But when it's down, so it's going to be a bit hard because I'm so close and my tripod's now busy. We are going to put the over center on the back here. And then that bar that we just screwed back on is where the little hook's going to be, this bar here, but in here somewhere. So it'll have the hook go up and then down, and then the latch will. And that'll hold it against here with a bit of foam, and it'll all be pretty. So this is what we've done over here.
Right phone and broken camera.
That happened. So we sort of riveted the bottom bit from the inside and the other bit from the other, but that's like, it's solid. It's pulled this bar up and sort of pinched it, which is good, so it's not fully loading the hinges. But we'll do that side, and maybe a hinge in the middle. Probably not today.
We haven't decided yet.
Yeah.
I don't really think it needs it.
But the camera, it had an incident. We're not going to say what that incident was, but I did say not to do something, and it was done, and now someone broke something.
Base unscrewed.
Yeah. Do you want to show them what happened when you don't do that?
It wouldn't recess it enough though.
See that lens? Yeah, it turns out you shouldn't push a solar panel up against it while it's in the middle.
Is that a bit? No, it still wouldn't be up enough.
Wouldn't be enough?
Wouldn't be recessed enough.
I wish I had that on camera.
I know, right? Panels in, hinges are in, locks are in. Just need to do the two legs, so when we pop it up, we're thinking about doing some sort of LED light system underneath of it, but that's all in the future. For now, we just need to redo a bit of the wiring and tidy up some of the plumbing for the tank install. And that's it. Then it's pretty well done and ready for its second test vintage.
You don't mention the first one, it nearly fell over.
Yeah, first one doesn't count.
It nearly tipped over.